feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like.
Sanbanan Dumalang, hello. My name is Malwande and welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you are returning. I am back from a beautiful holiday time and back to my regular life, or at least trying to get back into it and see what the next few months have in store for me. Okay. When I take a lunch break, I need to figure out which one of these fits into my Wi-Fi thing. I mean, everything is brilliant until you realize how not tech savvy you are, because I don't understand this. What is this? One says 5V, the other says 12V, 9, and then the other one says 9V. I know V is for voltage, at least I know that much. But, and then what? Anyway, I'm gonna watch a YouTube tutorial on this, probably. I don't know. For now, I'm just gonna charge it. I do have load shedding at 4, so that is when I will test it out. And hopefully I can be able to proceed with the normal work day. Wow, quite happy. So happy. Another baby I got is this. I have wanted this for a very long time. Safe to say maybe 2 years or even 3 years. There was a time where there was one that was, I think, 200 Rand or 300 Rand a game. And unfortunately, by the time I got there, it was all sold out at Cresta Mall. That was probably 3 years back. But yeah, manje, we're at it again, my dear. We're at it again. Yeah, we can't go running and stuff, taking long walks with our cell phones just to count steps. So hence I got this, because then at least I can have this on my wrist and count my steps, and you know how long the walk is taking me, inclines and etc. Yeah. Hey, it better work. Because it better work. And I hope it can link to my Samsung Fitness app. Anyway, yet again, I'm gonna figure this thing out. And then, yeah, this is all one. It's giving fancy charger. Look at that. Nice. It's a charger. That is how you charge her, right? Fantastic. She needs a charge right now, pretty sure. Quite an informative booklet. This thing has a lot of features. Yeah. Back to the streets, Mandasa. Back to the streets. Can't wait. Anyway, let me go charge this thing and also charge the backup power thing. I'm in my tech girl era. Tech girl era, right? Something like that. Bye. Yeah, let's talk about these nails. I've had these nails since I think early December. It is today the 15th of January and it is time for them to go. I'll put a picture or a video of when they were still fresh. These are my natural nails, as you can see. Love them to bits, but now they're officially too long for my usual life. I need to type a lot for work and stuff. Yeah, so they gotta go. This hair needs a wash. It needs moisturizing. It needs a lot of TLC, okay, these braids. And I'm not going to let go of them yet. I'm still gonna try push another 2-3 weeks. Then I will take a break from braiding until I braid again in March for an event. So yeah, RIP was cool. Not RIP. More like farewell to these nails. We will do this again next time. But yeah, I loved them. I loved them a lot. Loved them loads. I love the color. I did this color 2 times in a row. So yeah, I think now I'm gonna try something different. My windows are open. There's a lot of noise outside. The street is right there. It's too hot to keep the windows closed. Anyway, let's get into the process of taking down these nails, cutting them short, and deciding on a new color. I wanted to show that these nails are so old. This one is literally something I can peel off right now. Look at that. It was already peeling. The gel separated from my nail already. Crazy. Look at my nail. I can't believe it. That's the length of my natural nail. That is insane. Okay, so I trimmed them. They were almond shaped, you see. Now they're straight. I shortened them and I just filed off the shine using a regular nail file. This is where I keep my acetone. I absolutely love this pump. I got it from Planet Nails, I think a year ago. Yeah, I was still living in Johannesburg. Okay. So I got it at Planet Nails in Randburg CBD. And I keep my acetone in here. So I just take that off. And then I just literally take my finger and I dip it into the acetone. I leave it in for about a minute, just so that it can soften the gel, and then afterwards I will just file it off. I'm done. The top looks, rough. That's because of all the filing. I still need to buff my nails. That's gonna get rid of this, the bumpiness from the filing. Yeah, this is my right hand, and this is my left hand. As you can see, I've got a lot shorter, a lot. My nails grow fast. One thing about my nails, they will grow. So I know in 3 weeks or a month, I'll be back to that length I started with, which is quite nice. And then I will rinse, repeat. It is so hot. It is hot. Anyway, I'm really thinking of going bright this time around. Say my orange. Truly. This orange I really like that I have. There was a design I once did with that orange. I'll put it maybe here. In my heart, I'd like to do that, but I don't have the energy, okay? I really do not have the energy. I'm leaving home for work tomorrow, so I want to paint my nails today, because I know if I don't and I'm busy out there in the streets, they will break. So it's best that I paint them today. Yeah, let's get to it.
Because you were with the parents. When Pedro called for divorce, my entire life was shattered. But now I'm finally ready to open my heart again for love. I feel alive. I feel like I'm tingling inside, and the adrenaline. Trying to put it all behind me and make sure I don't make those.
In a few days, I'm going to the February party. The woman that I recently met is in like a date or a meeting.
I decided to throw in this gut health green juice that I make for myself. I know a couple of vlogs ago I spoke about it, so here's the recipe and exactly how I go about making it.
mine for sure.